Do you want to be able to fix Facebook dating location mismatch? Well, then you have come to the perfect video, because in this video I'm going to show you exactly how to fix it. But it is very important that you do watch this video until the very end, because if you don't, then this might not work for you, just so you know. So it's very important that you do watch this until the end. Basically, the first step is going to be for me to come to my Facebook app, as you can see. And now when I'm on my Facebook app, then what I need to do firstly is to click on the three lines symbol. For me, it is in the bottom right corner, as you can see, but for some of you, it might be in the top right corner instead. So click on the three lines like symbol, because then you should be like taken to this page right here. As you can see, what I'm going to do in here is to just scroll down until I can see where it says help and support. And that is exactly where you need to click. So click on help and support. Now click on report a problem in here. Click once again on report a problem, then click on include in report, because then you should be taken to this page right here. As you can see, what I'm going to do in here is to just scroll all the way down until I can see where it says other, and that is exactly where you need to click. So click on other. Now perfectly, as you can see, you should now be taken to this page right here. And the reason why you need to be taken to this page is because in here you will be able to contact the Facebook customer support directly, and that is exactly why we need to do this, because we need them to know that there has been in the Facebook dating location there has been a mismatch, basically. So we need to write exactly like this to the Facebook support. Now I want to be able to change my location on Facebook dating to, and now write that like the correct location in here, basically, and make sure that you have actually written the correct location. If you have written like maybe one or two letters wrong, it will not work, just so you know. So you need to write that country exactly, basically, so spell it out exactly as it is. So now when you're done, just click on send in the top right corner. And now you need to wait about 1 to 3 business days for the Facebook support to be able to see this, and hopefully after that this should be fixed for you. So let me know in the comments below maybe if you have any questions, and I will try to answer to as many as I can. And also I wish you the best day.